BMW's iDrive 9.0 is standard in all 2025 models and combines a rotary knob, touchscreen, and voice control for intuitive operation. To use navigation, select the navigation tile on the main screen. Input destinations using voice commands, touchscreen typing, or the iDrive controller. The system provides 3D maps with live traffic data from Google and TomTom, plus predictive routing based on your driving habits. For Bluetooth connectivity, navigate to Settings, then Connections, and select Bluetooth to pair your devices. iDrive supports HFP for hands-free calling, A2DP for audio streaming, and AVRCP for remote control. It can handle multiple devices simultaneously, automatically switching for incoming calls. The latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures faster pairing and lower latency. Wirelessly connect to CarPlay or Android Auto via the vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot or USB-C. The phone interface mirrors directly on the iDrive screen. Use iDrive controls to switch between native BMW apps and mirrored apps. Voice commands integrate with Siri or Google Assistant. Activate Hey BMW for hands-free control. BMW employs security measures like encrypted Bluetooth and two-factor authentication for app logins. Seamless integration allows navigation rerouting via Apple Maps or Android Auto capabilities, enhancing usability and reducing driver distraction.